What's up, guys? Back with another video, back with another banger, you feel me? This is gonna be a quick little video explaining my hair, like what I use for my hair, how I apply it, etc, etc. So let's go ahead and get to this video. So this is the disclaimer for everybody that's watching this right now. You have to remember, not everybody's hair is the same. So everything that works for my hair might not work for your hair, so you need to keep that in mind. Alright, let's get into it this time. So first we got the shampoo. As you can see, this is the shampoo I use. It's for my dandruff. I got dandruff. Yes, don't clown me, bro. Just know it's really good for keeping your hair shiny, but at the same time moisturized. Same thing for the conditioner. I don't gotta explain too much. Just hydrate your hair and also keeps it clean and good. You can get this from Walmart or Target or wherever. So I also use this. It looks gross, I know, because I used it, but it's a little massager for your hair. You can't even see it, dude. Yeah, it's a massager for your hair. Whenever you put shampoo in it, you just scrub your scalp with it, and it cleans it and gets deep in your pores and stuff. It's really good. I also forgot to add, I also use this sometimes. I switch between that and, of course, that, but right now, I'm using the other one. But this one is really good for curly hair. So, yeah, hydration. So third is a mask that I use. I used to use this one, but it's really good. I do recommend. Or right now I've been using this one. I custom made this one from the company. I did a quiz and they gave me this in my hair mask. So you guys should do the quiz. I'll leave it link in the description. They send you a mask for free, and then you try it for 60 days, and if you like it, then they charge you. But yeah, this is really good, 10 out of 10. And for the final two products, I use the Not Away Leave-In Detangler, and then I use the Honey I use the Not Away Leave-In Detangler, and I use the Honey Hydrate Step 1 Leave-In collection. This is like actual honey too, by the way. It's literally like thick and honey. So yeah, that's really it. That's what I use on my hair. These are the products I use. You have to keep in mind that not everything works for everyone. So maybe the products that work for me might not work for you. It all depends on your hair type. What you need to do is look up your hair, like things about your hair, people that have your hair type, and just try different things for your hair. If your hair is thinner, use thinner products. If your hair is thicker, use thicker products, etc, etc. But if your hair is really thin, I wouldn't recommend a thicker product because your hair can't really do much with it. It's just gonna make your hair look greasy. So you have to really do some studying into your hair to find out what works for you personally. So that's one thing you need to do for your hair in order to, you know, be able to hydrate it and get it where you want it to be. But yeah, that's really it. So I will do a hair tutorial the next time. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy, please leave a like, and if you haven't already, please just subscribe. Comment what you guys want to see next, and I'll see you in the next video.